In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to add CM Stochastic POP Method 2, Jake Bernstein V1, quick and easy, inside Tradingview. We'll move step by step so you can follow along on your own screen, even if you're brand new to Tradingview or technical indicators. By the end of this video, you'll have the CM Stochastic POP Method 2, Jake Bernstein V1 loaded and ready to use on your charts. First, open up any chart in Tradingview. It doesn't matter which market you're looking at right now. This can be a stock, forex pair, crypto, or anything else. Once your chart is open, look toward the top of the screen for the indicators button. It's usually near the middle or left side of the top toolbar. Go ahead and click on Indicators. This opens the main indicators and strategies panel, which is where you search for and add any study to your chart. With the panel open, you'll see a search bar at the top. Click in that search field and start typing CM Stochastic. As you type, Tradingview will automatically filter the results for you. Take a second to spell it carefully so the correct script shows up. After a moment, you should see a list of indicators that match your search. From that list, look for the one called CM Stochastic POP Method 2, Jake Bernstein V1. Make sure you select the exact name so you're loading the correct version of the script. When you find it, simply click on that line once. Tradingview will instantly add it to the bottom of your chart as a separate indicator panel. You should now see the CM Stochastic POP Method 2 Jake Bernstein V1 displayed under your price chart. If you want to adjust how it looks, you can hover over the indicator's name on the left side of that panel and click the settings icon. From there, you can customize colors, line thickness, and other visual preferences to match your chart style. This doesn't change how the indicator works. It just makes it easier for you to read and interpret. If you're planning to use this setup regularly and you want extra features like more indicators on a single chart, multiple layouts, or saved templates, consider upgrading your Tradingview plan using the affiliate link in the video description. It's a simple way to unlock more tools while supporting the channel at the same time. And that's all you need to do. You've successfully added the CM Stochastic POP Method to Jake Bernstein V1 indicator to your Tradingview chart, and you're ready to start using it in your analysis.